Good morning, children. I am Rishara sir, working as a mathematics teacher in the Dr. Besant English Medium School. So, children, from mathematics 9th class, the chapter polynomials in my previous class, I explained you from exercise 2.5 up to first Roman. Okay, children. Now this is exercise 2.5, second Roman. Children, I am requesting you please open your mathematics textbook. That is page number 56, exercise 2.5, second Roman. Evaluate the following products without actual multiplication. See the second problem from this one. 999 into 999. What is the value of 999 into 999? Without actual multiplication. Without actual multiplication. So don't multiply actual. So we need to use some identity. So this is 999 into 999. This is 999 whole square. So 999 can be written as 1000 minus 1 whole square. So 999, how I have written, children? 1000 minus 1. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. What is its formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Where what is a value? 1000. What is b value? 1. So a minus b whole square means 1000 minus 1. That is 999. A minus b whole square. Expand in the formula. This is 1000 minus 1 whole square. A minus b whole square. Formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square means 1000 whole square. Minus 2ab means 2 into 1000 into b means 1. B square means 1 square. Okay, children. In 1000, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. When you square it, you get 6 zeros. Double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. When you square 1000, in 1000 3 zeros are there. When you square it, then you get not 3 square, 9 zeros. Don't understand like that. When 1000 whole square, 1000 into 1000, you get 3 plus 3, that is 10 lakhs. 1000 whole square, children, how much? 10 lakhs. Minus 2 into 1000, 2000, 2001, 2000. Plus this is 1. So 10 lakhs minus 2000. 10 lakhs minus 2000. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. So here 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros. 1000 minus 2, 998. So 9 lakhs 98,000. 10 lakhs minus 2 comes 2000. 10 lakhs minus 2000 means 9 lakhs 98,000. Plus this is 1. Comes 9 lakhs 98,001. What is answer? 9 lakhs 98,001. That is the value of 999. We have expanded in the formula of a minus b whole square by writing it. 999 square means 1000 minus 1 whole square. I hope that you have understood this problem, how we have expanded, how we have found the value. Okay, children? Yes. Go for some other problem in this Roman. Which is, verify, children, some other problem. Third one from the second Roman, exercise 2.5. This is 50 and half into 49 and half. 50 and half into 49 and half. Okay, children, once you verify. 50 and half into 49 and half. Solution. 50 and half, 50 1 by 2 into 49 and half, 49 and 1 by 2. It can be written as 50 plus 1 by 2 into it can be written as 50 minus 1 by 2. 50 minus half is 49 and half. 50 plus half is 50 and half. Children, you see, it is of the form. It is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Its formula is a square minus b square, where a value is 50 and b value is half. So observe, that is a square minus b square. 50 plus half into 50 minus half. So a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Children, a square means 50 square. B square means 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, children. So 50 square means 50 into 50, 2500. Minus 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4. How we will write this one? 2499 plus 1 minus 1 by 4. Children, you see 2499 plus 1 comes as 2500. Do not get any confusion. 2499 plus 1 comes as 2500. So this is 2499 plus 1 minus 1 by 4. 4 1s are 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 by 4. That means 2499 and 3 by 4. Did you understand, children? How I have simplified it? 2500. 50 square is 2500 minus 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. 2500 I have written as 2499 plus 1 minus this is 1 by 4. As it is 2499 plus 1 minus 1 by 4 I have simplified. I got it 3 by 4. Why? Because 4 1s are 4. 4 minus 1 is 3 by 4. 2499 plus 3 by 4 comes as 2499 and 3 by 4. I hope that you have understood this problem. Yes, children? Okay, children. Go for some other problem from the second Roman exercise 2.5. Children, you verify. This is, let me explain. Third one, fourth one from the second Roman. 501 into 501. 501 into 501. How we will write, children, this one? It is 501 into it is 501. Can be written as 501 whole square means 500 plus 1 whole square. Okay, children? It is of the form. It is of the form a plus b whole square. Its formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, children? Now, where a is equals to 500 and b is equals to 1. A plus b whole square. A is 500, b is 1. Now, observe. It is 500 plus 1 whole square. Means a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Children, a square means 500 whole square. Plus 2 into a means 500, b means 1, b square means 1 square. So 5 square is 25. 2 zeros whole square means 4 zeros you will get. Units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. 2 lakhs 50,000 is the value of 500 whole square. Means 500 into 500 you multiply, you get 2 lakhs 50,000. Plus 2, 500 is 1,000, 1,000, 1 is 1,000. Plus this is 1. 2 lakhs 50,000 plus 1,000 is 2 lakhs 51,000 plus 1 is 2 lakhs 51,001. 2 lakhs 51,001. Did you understand, children? Yes. Okay, children. One more problem is there in that Roman. Once verify. Children, you see this one, 30.5 into 29.5 from the second Roman, fifth one, 30.5 into 29.5. Children, this is 30.5 into 29.5. It can be written as 30 plus 0.5. Indeed, it can be written as 30 minus 0.5. 30 plus 0.5 means 30.5. 30 minus 0.5 is 29.5. It is of the form a plus b into a minus b. It comes as a square minus b square. Children, you see 30.5 means 30 plus 0.5 into 39.5 means 30 minus 0.5. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. A square means 30 square. Minus b square means 0.5 whole square. Okay, children. 30 square means 30, 30 is 900. 0.5 whole square means 0.25. 0.5 whole square means what? 0.5 into 0.5. 5 5 is 25. After 2 days you keep a point, means 0.25. See, children, 900 minus 0.25. 900 minus 0.25. 900 minus 0.25. Point after keep zeros. Borrow 1, borrow 1, borrow 1, borrow 1. 1 minus 5 is 5, 10 minus 5. Still 9 will be there, 9 minus 2 7. Again 9 will be there, again 9 will be there, again 8 will be there. 899.75. Its value is 899.75. Did you understand, children? 900 minus 0.25 comes as 899.75. So these are the problems from the second Raman. We simplified, we found those values by using some identities without actual multiplication. So without actual multiplication, we found those values by using some algebraic identities. Okay, children? Come to third Raman from this exercise 2.5. Factorize the following expressions using appropriate identities. First one you see, children, this is 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square. 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square. Children, you see 16x square plus this is 24xy plus this is 9y square. Factorizing these expressions with algebraic identities. It can be written as 4x whole square plus it can be written as 2 into something into something. 9y square means 3y whole square. Children, do not get any confusion. I am bringing the formula. 4x whole square is 16x square. 9y whole square is 3y square. 3y whole square. So a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square we have to express. Where a value and b value observe. A value is 4x and b value is 3y. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into a how much? 4x. B how much? 3y. Now observe 2 4s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 24xy. 24xy. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. How you will write it? A plus b whole square. A means 4x plus b means 3y. 4x plus 3y whole square. So these are the factors for that expression. 4x plus 3y whole square is nothing but 4x plus 3y into 4x plus 3y 2 times. Did you understand? Okay, children? Yes. This is one problem. Go for some other problem in this Raman. That is fourth one, 18a square minus 50. 18a square minus 50. See, children, fourth one from this Raman. It is 18a square minus 50. 18a square cannot be written as something square. Why? Because 18 is not a perfect square. Make it 2 as common. 2 into 9a square is 18a square. Minus 225 is a 50. So 2 into it can be written as 3a whole square. 3a whole square is 9a square. Minus 25 means 5 square. So 2 into it is of the form a square minus b square. Where my capital A value is 3a, my capital B value is 5. Children, do not get any confusion. Observe 18a square minus 50. 18 is not a perfect square, 50 is also not a perfect square, so that's why I have taken 2 as common. 2 into 9a square is 18a square, minus 2 into 25 is 50. As it is 2 into 9a square can be written as 3a whole square, minus 25 can be written as 5 whole square. 2 into it is of the form a square minus b square, where my capital A value 3 small a, my capital B value 5. So 2 into a square minus b square, formula a plus b into a minus b. Now 2 into capital A 3a plus capital B 5 into capital A 3a minus capital B 5. So your factors are 2 into 3a plus 5 into 3a minus 5. I hope that you have understood these sums in this Raman. Okay, children. Once you verify this Raman, some other problems are also there. Observe. Children, one more problem. That is sixth one from this third Raman. 3p square minus 24p. 3p square minus 24p plus 36. Plus 36. See, children, it is 3p square minus 24p plus 36. Make 3 as common, 3 into p square, 3p square, 3 8s are 24p, 3 12s are 36. 3 into, we have to factorize this one. What is this? P square into 12. That is equal to 12p square. Factorization process I am doing. Product of extremes, b square into 12 is 12p square. So let us see the factors for 12p square to get middle term. Minus 8p, minus 6p and minus 2p. Why? Because minus 6 into minus 2 is plus 12. P into p is p square. By adding minus 6p and also minus 2p, minus 6p plus minus 2p equal to minus 8p. That is minus 8p. So minus 8p. Okay, children. So 3 into we have to factorize this one. Once, children, I will come back within a few minutes. Okay, children, see this one. So minus 6p minus 2p adding minus 8p will get. It is p square, it can be written as minus 6p minus 2p plus 12. Minus 6p minus 2p minus 8p. 3 into, from these two take p as common, into p minus 6. P into p square, p into minus 6 minus 6p. From these two you can take minus 2 as common, p minus 6. Minus 2 into p minus 2p minus 2 into minus 6 plus 12. So this is 3 into one factor is p minus 6 and other factor is p minus 2. Okay, children, these are the factors for the given expression. I hope that you have understood all these problems what I explained to you from this Roman. Children, this is the factorization procedure. Children, go for this fourth Roman once you see the textbook. Children, I will go for the fourth Roman. Evaluate each of the following expressions using some identities. The first one, x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. X plus 2y plus 4z whole square. X plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Express the following by using identity. Expand. See, children, it is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. It is of the form. It is of the form a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus 2ab plus a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. That is the formula for a plus b plus c whole square, children. Observe. Where a value x, b value 2y, c value 4z. Verify, children. It is of the form a plus b plus c whole square, where a value x, b value 2y, c value 4z. So a plus b plus c whole square formula, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. We need to replace those values in the formula. A square means x square plus b square means 2y whole square plus c square means 4z whole square plus 2 into a means x, b means 2y plus 2 into b means 2y, 2y, c means 4z plus 2 into c means 4z, a means x. Okay, children, I replaced all those values in the formula. Now observe, it is x square plus 2y whole square is 4y square plus 4z whole square is 16z square plus 2 into x into 2y, 2 2s are 4xy plus 2 into 2y into 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, yz, plus 2 4s 8, 8 zx, 8 zx, 8 zx. Yes, children? So that is the expansion of that x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. We have expanded in by using the formula a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, children? One more problem from this fourth Roman, verify, children. This is third one, minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c. Third one, minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c whole square. Minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c whole square. Children, it is minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c whole square. It is of the form, capital letters I am using, a plus b plus c whole square, where my capital A value minus 2a, my capital B value 5 small b, my capital C value minus 3 small c. The formula for a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Children, you see, a square means minus 2a whole square plus b square means 5b whole square plus c square means minus 3c whole square plus 2 into a means minus 2a into b means 5b plus 2 into b means 5b into c means minus 3c plus 2 into c means minus 3c into a means 2a. Children, you see, minus 2a whole square is 4a square, 5b whole square is 25b square, minus 3c whole square is 9c square, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, bc, that is ab, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, ab plus into minus minus, minus 20 ab. Children, plus into minus again minus, 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30 bc. Children, minus into plus minus, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12 ca. So that is the expansion of the given expression. Okay, children, I hope that you have understood. One more problem I will explain you from this Roman. Verify, children. That is sixth one, x minus 2y whole cube. Sixth one, x minus 2y whole cube. Children, this is x minus 2y whole cube. It is of the form a minus b whole cube, where a value x, b value 2y, a minus b whole cube formula, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. A cube means x cube, minus 3 into a square means x square into b means 2y, plus 3 into a means x into b square means 2y whole square, minus b cube means 2y whole cube. I replaced those values. This is x cube, minus 3 2s are 6x square y, 6x square y, plus 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12xy square, 12xy square, minus 2 cube is 8, y cube. Did you understand, children? Once you see x cube, 3 2s are 6, x square y, 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12, xy square, 12xy square, minus 2 cube is 8, y cube. Yes, children? So I hope that you have understood these all problems from this fourth Roman. Okay, children? Verify. In today's class, I explained you some of the problems from the second Roman. and as well as I have explained you some of the problems from third Roman, and as well as I have explained you some of the problems from the fourth Roman. Okay children, my today's homework is complete what I have explained you from the second Roman and from third Roman and from fourth Roman from this exercise 2.5 in the classwork. Thank you one and all.